Manchester United fans. Now, people are hopeful say a new Mabefa. And then meet here when Rooney seemed to think say, see a share Ruben Amorim kakrana and fa omunyane kwan. He should face the axe. I am beginning. No, I am beginning. And Cristiano Ronaldo, I can't say even though only Ruben Amorim and Efri the same way. But not Jane say Premiership no, too difficult. Too difficult for him. And Ebia what dominated Portugal. Ebia what the Sporting achieve pa. But the dynamics in the English Premiership no. Yama a man for Adrian say no. Ruben Amorim Ebia a man or not die. Even though man another year Ebia no went to me and Yajuma. I don't know whether those more sergeant and whether right and answer or wrong. I don't have an opinion. But so we share the progression of Manchester United and how things seem to be going. We are Manchester United fan. We are worried, and I agree with all those who are very worried. Now, normally, team there ought to be a certain level of progression. Now, I say, even though any of my as a team, no. Kosro as a progress as a konenim as a new me sheba as a new me ye as a things new me fa. Now watch Manchester United against Fulham. You will be worried. The structure and the lack of flexibility of Ruben Amorim approach or the ball game, we are worried. Just say United start here, said you are more born on then they finish the game. And you could clearly see, say, in a 3-back system, and whether he wants to play a 5-3-5 or 3-4-2-1 formation, you could clearly see, say, Adiana Oyen and Tintame. But also what GDA be say ebefa. No onye na dwen so obese say. And onye you say you na because you pragmatic approach. The pragmatic approach ni say ade bia wo say me ye the per results no me ye. And you what the coaches na the type no mo so imagine say me dey say na me pesa me bono. Enti Ange Postecoglou ba Tottenham. Na dwen say this is how I want to play. Yes, she no cry no about attacking football. Yes, she no cry no about highlight. And obvious especially what in a game against Chelsea. What the red card? What do you do? Okay, and however I have to set up the results. No, about a high line, even after going down by a man. Nicola Jackson about hat trick. I am beginning. May I worry the Manchester United fans. Now, the structure of Manchester United still not any looking convinced. Team neighbor born. Inti the ama Enzo Maresca as I was as a born now born as a you be okay well the mommy man time near we I was see who is hard and United until last week maybe na my convinced United ball mo born last week you know Charlie Ebefa against Fulham it was different and I can see who is as a team near cost even though goals name team ne performance cost now midfield and can normally if you see Casemiro now Fernandes I was a cap midfield, you know, it me dominating and midfield of Lukic and Borgi. I was at midfield it me dominating omo. And then Casemiro Fernandes midfield. And to me and taking hold of a Fulham United game. Now, United attacking trial over £200 million invested in Kuna and then Brian Mbeumo and then Sesko. Still, as we know, because will be as a go. Worrying. I mean, a worrying. At least, even though I'm show also much less I say potential idea how much show glimpse, but you don't. I mean, how long did it take Jean Pedro to find the net? 87.9. How long now it take he? A lot of the new signings in it to find. Oh no, I was here who be say. Me no because still on started Sesko. Mobile net say wabemu. Meanwhile, right from games here, who say the lives of Jean Pedro, the lives of Jocres, because you invest 70-something million pounds in a player. Now I say who's Rosa or then starting. Any who invest size can move. Kuna Mbeumo should hit the ground running. Matthias Eminim say yes. Who joining new team? and you say be akoya nafa. But you want to me invest a huge amount of money will play now me expect as a new player be a akofano gradual introduction is annual money no I'm beginning to me ne omo so excited about Ruben Amorim me ne omo yeah say the chap ought to get the ground maybe a pressure man so but there was starting feeling say this is United and you must begin to deliver now. United, my friend, will be lack of offensive cohesion. I say, even though I say, well, because apart from Mason Mount, couldn't name new players, but I was a certain level of cohesion among them. So I say, more bar, Utimu say, and Tiasebi or Montem, I say, Utimu say they are getting somewhere and all that, but you clearly see a certain detach. That cohesion from Infinity Adeba attack, Fernandez, Casemiro, joining the Kunha, Messi Mount, and Brian Bemona. Cohesion here as a team, NCC. But at the league, is 1 year boko. And by the time I won't send your man and your man fan, be a nice time. No, things are becoming a bit difficult now. United basis Sabri, United. And I know say one goalkeeper be a more signing from a ornament, but I don't see that as the answer to the United goalkeeping error issues. No, there's so much clearly so one year or pick goalkeeper, but that chap coming, you feel so your answer when it is there. Now Man City and Donnarumma, look at the target. Martinez available, but you call for someone sang hero be no about can the person really come no about be proven on Adena we invest in knowing say yeah what problem in this particular area and then straight away solve the problem say the bear will be to me I get it. Me I worried and then the in-game management say yeah bobo na ball na ekoswa unsa as a coach kwan ya fa responded to opponent kwan ya fa so ye onyoma we take lead na yababe equalize na game na kwa na upon game no we expect that United quality because yeah analysis can say United are improving in quality because players are not what United last season this season me can clearly say this is in United quality no was and me I expect say United to me abano restore one ya kra na top 6 but said the new American one here the coaching factor alone able to me a problem they are Manchester United and I see that so their tactical setup is a problem. I see some attacking deficiency kakra with United team no United set pieces so it's a bit or goalkeeping an area was United or mentally United players no I said me who say Chelsea Chelsea echo down by a goal share response mentality say omujidi say no this are world champion then West Ham team baby we na West Ham by first half now West Ham supporters as start Kofi